Hello friends, you are watching 3A's Vision, an innovative distance learning channel. It is most important and desired that if you are interested in improving your learnings, subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get our future updates. Application of option pricing theory in investment decisions. Today in this model, we look at how option valuation techniques can be applied to capital budgeting. First of all, we review the basic theory underlying the pricing of financial options, and then we examine a number of options embedded in projects, such as the option to delay, the option to abandon, the option to expand, and the option to redeploy productive resources. We discuss here main key points in this model. Number one, the overview of option pricing theory. Number two, the basic concepts of option pricing theory. Number three, determinants of option values. Number four, real options. And last, number five, valuation of real option. In overview of option pricing theory in investment decisions, the topic of real options applies the option valuation techniques to capital budgeting exercises in which a project is coupled with the put or call option. For example, the firm may have the option to abandon a project during its life. This amounts to a put option on the remaining cash flow associated with the project. Ignoring the value of the real options, as in standard discounted cash flow techniques, can lead to incorrect investment valuation techniques. The basic concepts of option pricing theory. There are main three elements we discuss here: the types of options, the profiles of call options at expiration, and third one, profiles of put options at expiration. The types of options. Here we discuss the definition, exercise as strike price, premium, call and put options, European, American and Bermudan options, long and short options, price quotations. In the definition of option, an option is a contract that gives one party the option to enter into a transaction, either at a specific time in the future or within a specific future period at a price that is agreed when the contract is issued. Exercise or strike price. The exercise or strike price is the price at which the future transaction will take place. And now the premium. Premium is the price paid by the option buyer to the seller or writer for the right to buy or sell the underlying share. Call and put options. The buyer of a call option acquired the right but not the obligation to buy the underlying shares at fixed price, whereas the buyer of put option acquires the right but not the obligation to sell the underlying share at fixed price. Now the European, American and Bermudan options. The European options can only be exercised at expiration, whereas the American option can be exercised anytime prior to expiration. And when we discuss a Bermudan option, that is an option where early exercise is restricted to certain dates during the life of the option. Long and short options. When an investor buys an option, the investor is setting up a long options, and when the investor sells an option, the investor has a short position. Price quotations. For simplicity, only one price is quoted for each option in the national newspaper. In practice, there will always be two prices quoted for each option, that are a bid price and an offer price. When we discuss profiles of call options at expiration, a long call option position at expiration may lead to unlimited profits, and a short call option position may lead to unlimited loss. Accordingly, profiles of put options at expiration, the profit from a long put position and the maximum loss from a short put position occurs when the price of underlying becomes zero. Determinants of option values. The value of an option is determined by the exercise price, the price of the underlying, the time to expiration, the volatility of the underlying, and the interest rate. We discuss here main two factors. Number one, its introduction. Second, the Black-Scholes pricing model. In introduction, options are financial instruments whose value changes all the time. Here in this section, we shall identify the factors that affect the price of an option prior to expiration, and these factors are the exercise price, the price of the underlying, the volatility of the underlying, the time of expiration, the interest rate, the intrinsic and time value. Whereas in Black-Scholes pricing model, the Black-Scholes pricing model predicts the value of an option for a given value of its determinants. So there are 5 main factors which affect the Black-Scholes models. That is the Black-Scholes formula, value of European put options, value of American call options, and value of American put options, and finally the assumptions of the Black-Scholes model. Real option. The real options are alternatives or choices that may be available with a business investment opportunity. Here are 5 main factors. Number 1, limitation of the net present value. Number 2, option to delay, option to expand, option to abandon or withdraw, and number 5, option to redeploy. Valuation of real option. Real options can be valued using the Black-Scholes model, but certain adjustments need to be made since the underlying is not traded. There are 4 main factors. Number 1, Black-Scholes option analysis. Secondly, what does the real option valuation means? That is, the valuation of real option and its inclusion in the net present value calculation takes into account the uncertainty of the project. Number 3, the assumptions of the Black-Scholes model, that are long normality, perfect markets, constant interest rates, constant volatility, and tradability of assets. And finally, the number 4, implications of real options for capital budgeting. And at the end, we warm welcome your valuable comments to improve our learning levels. Thanks and goodbye.